Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For all you lovely couples out there planning your big day, I'm so excited to share some wedding wisdom with y'all. We all know that planning a wedding can be a whirlwind, am I right? You want everything to be perfect, from the dress to the decor, but sometimes it feels like the budget has a mind of its own. Well, don't you worry, because today we're diving headfirst into the top wedding hacks every DIY bride needs to know. Whether you're throwing a small, intimate gathering or a grand celebration full of family and friends, these tips are sure to save you some time, money, and maybe even a few tears along the way. Let's get started.
Welcome to rock a world where vision comes alive. With design and coordination, we help you thrive. Beautiful events, crafted with care. Join us on the journey, we'll take you there. Subscribe today, don't miss a beat. Book a world events, watch your dreams grow. Rock a world events, watch your dreams grow. Beautiful events, locked in with care.
First up, let's talk wedding websites. You know how much I love a good website, a place where folks can go to get all the information they need about your special day. And the best part, you can start yours off with a bang. Instead of going the traditional route with just an engagement photo, why not kick things off with a fun video announcement? Think about it. You can share your love story, give a sneak peek of the wedding theme, or even just have some fun with it. It's a personal touch that your guests will absolutely adore. Plus, having all your wedding details in one easy to access place will save you a ton of time answering questions and keeping everyone in the loop. Now let's talk flowers. Y'all know I love a good floral arrangement, but those beautiful blooms can sometimes come with a hefty price tag. But don't fret, because DIY is the name of the game. Creating your own flower arrangements is not only budget friendly, but also a fun and personal way to add your own touch to your wedding decor. Gather your bridesmaids, crank up some music, and make an afternoon of it. You can find gorgeous, affordable flowers at your local farmer's market, or even try your hand at growing some of your own. Imagine the satisfaction of saying I made those when guests compliment your stunning centerpieces. Y'all, planning a wedding is like tackling a fixer-upper, but instead of walls and floors, we're dealing with guest lists and seating charts. It can get overwhelming fast. That's where technology comes in handy. These days, there are apps for just about everything, and wedding planning is no exception. Having all your vendors, budgets, and checklists in one place can be a lifesaver. It's like having a personal assistant right in your pocket, and trust me, a little organization goes a long way in keeping your stress levels down. Now, let's talk centerpieces. You don't have to break the bank to create something beautiful and unique for your reception tables. One of my favorite go-tos is using mason jars. They're affordable, versatile, and you can find them just about anywhere. Plus, they add that touch of rustic charm that I just love. You can fill them with flowers, candles, or even use them as vases for single stems. Get creative and make it your own. let's talk guest books. You know, I love a good guest book, a chance for your loved ones to leave you sweet messages to cherish for years to come. But why not shake things up a bit instead of the traditional book? Why not try a Polaroid guest book? It's interactive, it's fun, and it creates instant memories that you can enjoy right away. Y'all know how much I love making a house feel like a home. There's just something so special about creating a warm, inviting atmosphere that makes everyone feel comfortable and welcome. And your wedding favors are the perfect opportunity to extend that warmth to your guests. It's a chance to give them a little piece of your heart, a token of appreciation for sharing in your special day. Instead of going for something generic, something that might end up forgotten in a drawer, why not give them a little piece of your special day they can take home and enjoy? Something that will remind them of the love and joy they felt at your wedding. Homemade candles are a beautiful way to do just that. They're thoughtful, they smell amazing, and they show that you put in the effort to create something special. They add such a cozy, romantic vibe to any space, making it feel intimate and warm. Imagine your guests lighting these candles at home and being transported back to the magical moments of your wedding day. Plus, they're surprisingly easy to make with a few simple ingredients and a bit of creativity. You can craft beautiful candles that reflect your personal style and wedding theme. You can personalize them with your wedding colors, making them a perfect match for your decor. Choose scents that remind you of your love story, perhaps the fragrance of the flowers from your first date, or the aroma of the beach where you got engaged, or even add a special tag with your names and wedding date, making each candle a unique keepsake. Trust me, your guests will absolutely love this personal touch. They'll appreciate the thought and care you put into creating something just for them, and it's a gift they can enjoy long after the wedding day is over. Every time they light that candle, they'll be reminded of the beautiful memories they made with you. It's a lasting memento of a day filled with love and joy. Planning a wedding involves a million little details, and keeping track of RSVPs can feel like a full-time job. But what if I told you there's a way to make it easier and more organized? Instead of traditional paper invitations with those little RSVP cards that somehow always get lost in the mail, why not use Google Forms? It's a free tool that's simple to use and makes managing your guest list a breeze. You can create a custom form with all the essential information, names, dietary restrictions, any allergies, and even a space for song requests to get the party started. All right, let's talk seating charts. We all know it can be one of the trickiest parts of wedding planning, right? Trying to keep everyone happy and make sure the seating arrangement flows smoothly can feel like solving a puzzle. But don't worry, I've got a little trick up my sleeve that's going to make this whole process so much easier: color coding. Instead of just listing names on a chart, try assigning different colors to different groups of people. For example, you could use blush pink for your family, lavender for his family, and maybe a soft blue for all your college friends. Y'all, your wedding day is one of the most photographed days of your life, so you want your makeup to look absolutely flawless. It's not just about looking good in person, but also about how your makeup translates in photos and videos. Every angle, every smile, every tear will be captured, so it's essential to ensure your makeup stays impeccable from the moment you say I do to the last dance. And believe me, with a little planning, you can achieve that picture perfect look that lasts all day long. First things first, prepping your skin is key. Start with a hydrating moisturizer to create a smooth canvas. This step is crucial because it ensures that your skin is well nourished and ready to hold the makeup for hours. Then apply a primer to help your makeup stay put, especially in those high humidity summer months. A good primer not only helps in keeping the makeup intact, but also minimizes pores and fine lines, giving you a flawless base. Now, when it comes to foundation, opt for a long-wearing waterproof formula. This is particularly important if you expect to shed a few happy tears, or if the weather is unpredictable. You don't want any melting mishaps. And don't forget to set everything with a light dusting of translucent powder. This step is often overlooked, but is vital for absorbing any excess oil and keeping your makeup looking fresh throughout the day. This will help absorb any excess oil and keep your makeup looking fresh. Additionally, consider carrying a small touch-up kit with essentials like blotting papers, a compact powder, and your lipstick. This way you can easily freshen up your look whenever needed. Remember, the goal is to feel confident and beautiful from the first photo to the last dance. Now let's talk about ending your wedding day with a bang, a sparkler send-off. Imagine the scene, the night sky illuminated by 1,000 tiny lights, all eyes on you as you make your grand exit. It's a moment that feels almost like a fairy tale. There's something so magical about being showered in a cascade of shimmering lights as you embark on your new journey together. The glow of the sparklers not only lights up the night, but also the faces of your loved ones, creating a warm and enchanting atmosphere. It's the perfect way to add a touch of whimsy and romance to your farewell. The twinkling lights create a dreamy backdrop for photos capturing the joy and excitement of the moment. Plus, it's a fun and interactive way for your guests to participate in your send-off. But before you run out and buy the first sparklers you see, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, safety first. Make sure to choose sparklers that are safe for all ages and provide safety gloves for anyone who might need them. Choose long-lasting sparklers, at least 20 inches long, to give your guests plenty of time to light them and create a dazzling display. The longer the sparkler, the more time you have to enjoy the moment and capture those perfect photos. And be sure to have a designated sparkler lighter on hand to help things run smoothly. This person can ensure that all the sparklers are lit at the right time, creating a synchronized and stunning effect. A metal bucket or galvanized tub filled with sand is perfect for safely disposing of the used sparklers. This not only keeps the area clean, but also prevents any potential fire hazards. Remember, safety is key to making your sparkler send off a beautiful and memorable experience for everyone involved. Well, that's a wrap on our top wedding hacks. I hope these tips have inspired you to create a day that's as beautiful and unique as your love story. Remember, it's all about infusing your personality into every detail and making your wedding day a true reflection of you as a couple. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more fun and creative ideas. And be sure to share your favorite wedding hack in the comments below. I love hearing from y'all. Until next time, happy planning and God bless.